Unit 4. Future Inventions. Listening 4. Read and listen.
The Museum of Future Inventions. What do you think will be invented in the future? Do you have any ideas? Soon, there will be a Museum of Future Inventions near London. At the museum, you will be able to see models of the machines, cars and robots of the future. The museum will be very big. There will be modern escalators and beautiful glass lifts. Visitors will move through the museum on moving walkways. They will listen to audio guides to find out about the things in the museum. Some of the robots will talk to you. They will be able to talk in a lot of different languages. There will be cinemas, laboratories, classrooms, a cafe and a gift shop in the museum. At the gift shop, there will be fantastic things to buy for your friends and family. There will also be a young inventor laboratory for children with displays of new inventions. Children will make their own future inventions in the laboratory. In the technology room, you will see displays of computers, TVs, and games consoles of the future. There will be very small computers that you can wear like a watch. There will be games consoles and TVs with 3D images. There will be tiny phones you will wear in your ears. Do you have an idea for a future invention? Why not send it to us? We will send you a Future Inventor t-shirt. We will send the best ideas to the museum, and they will put them on the walls of the Young Inventor Laboratory for everyone to see.